Anytron Digital Print Pro.
AnyJet 2 is the complete solution for in-house production of medical device labels. It provides everything you need to produce high-quality, compliant labels in-house, quickly and efficiently. With its sharp and clear printing capabilities, AnyJet 2 ensures your labels always meet the highest standards for accuracy and readability. Its durable laminating feature protects your labels from wear and tear, making them perfect for even the harshest environments. The precision cutting function allows you to create labels in any shape or size, giving you complete flexibility in your label design. Additionally, the waste removal feature makes the entire process more efficient by eliminating any unnecessary material, leaving you with a clean, professional result every time. AnyJet 2 is compact in size, making it ideal for any office environment. Its user-friendly interface means that anyone, regardless of experience, can create professional-level labels effortlessly. Whether you're printing labels in multiple languages or producing small batches with various designs, AnyJet 2 is the ideal solution for your business. With its powerful combination of features, AnyJet 2 is the perfect tool for medical device companies looking to streamline their labeling process.